Welcome to Quick Facts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of wormholes. Are they real? Could they connect distant parts of the universe? And what would it take to travel through one? Let's explore this mind-bending concept together. In simple terms, a wormhole is like a shortcut through space and time. Imagine folding a piece of paper so 2 points touch. A wormhole is the tunnel that connects those 2 points. Scientists call this in spacetime, and it's a theoretical solution to Einstein's equations of general relativity. A wormhole consists of 2 mouths connected by a throat. One mouth could be in one galaxy, and the other mouth could be in another, millions of light years away. If wormholes exist, traveling through them could let you cross vast distances almost instantly, defying the normal limits of space and time. So, are wormholes real? The truth is, we don't know. They're purely theoretical for now. Physicists have proven they could exist mathematically, but we've never observed one in real life. The biggest challenge is stability. Most wormholes would collapse almost instantly unless stabilized by something exotic like negative energy. Part 4. Could we travel through a wormhole? Even if we found a wormhole, traveling through it would be a massive challenge. For one, we'd need to stabilize it, possibly using exotic matter. Plus, the intense gravitational forces inside might destroy anything that enters. It's still unclear if humans, or even information, could survive such a journey. Part 5. Wormholes in science fiction. Of course, wormholes are a favorite topic in science fiction. From to they've captured our imagination as portals to other galaxies, times, or even dimensions. While these depictions are often exaggerated, they're rooted in real scientific ideas. Part 6. The possibilities of wormholes. If wormholes are real, they could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. They might connect distant galaxies, make interstellar travel possible, or even give us access to parallel universes. For now, they remain a fascinating mystery, one that could hold the key to unlocking the secrets of space-time. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the science of wormholes. If you love exploring the unknown, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more amazing quick facts. Until next time, keep wondering and keep exploring.